at the lean-to. It's fine. But they might get some mist in the face if they stick their heads out.
Did you see that?
They don't have to have a light. Right. They don't have to have a light. They just have a trigger. They'll have normally a red button and a white button. You know, some of the ones on your house are both white buttons, but the new ones at least have a red button and a white button. It is spinning again.
That's what I thought. I saw that.
It's spinning again. Yes, it is. It's almost right over us, too. Holy cow. No, I want to see this if it forms.
I'm recording it.
It's spinning. It's spinning perfectly. I'm seeing perfect spinning. That's pretty cool. No, I'm looking at the spinning cloud. We are taking pictures.
I'm recording it.
That's pretty cool looking. I think it just dissipated. It's still kind of spinning, but it keeps. I don't think there's enough strength in this to make a tornado, but it is spinning. It's weird. There's a cloud right over us, spinning, but it's too wide. Well, this is spinning, and it's got to be a half mile wide, and it's right over us right now. No, I'm looking at it.
Bring on the rain!
It's starting to get windy too. I want to see a tornado form. You won't if we die. If I fly away, then you'll know. You see that?
I've been recording the entire time.
You see what I'm talking about, right?
Of course I see it.
That whole big ring is spinning.
Did you see the one lightning strike? I saw it. I got it on camera.
And that's why that's going to be a tornado right there.
Maybe I shouldn't have told Diane to leave. She just left. Really?
No, it sounded before. You missed it.
Oh.
But that's the tornado right above us. Actually, those could be tornadoes too. That could be a whole ring of them.
Well, considering I'm standing outside right now and not freaking out, this is kind of interesting.
That was a tornado though, but that dissipated.
It's still spinning.
One of those could be a tornado over there. I can't tell if it's spinning or not. The wind completely changed direction. That's spinning like crazy right there.
Right there.
See another one?
Yeah, look. It's right here.
Move.
That's right. It's right there. Look. There's a tree behind me. It's surrounding us.
Look at that.
I know.
That is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that.
Should we like pull the umbrella down?
That might form.
You want to go to the front yard and look?
That might. Oh my God, that might form. Look at that. I don't know if
It's spinning.
that was a tornado there. That could definitely be one. I'm in my socks. Did the plants blow themselves in the chairs?
I guess so. And there's one starting to form in the front. I saw one. It was right over there.
Might not just not be able to see it because the way it's cloudy.
Yeah, I should probably stop recording.